to another YouTube video, and today we're going to be dressing up my friends in my own streetwear clothes. So look at these guys right here. Love. Today we're doing a video with Spicy Boyz. So basically I'm turning them into streetwear guides, and I'm just giving them sauce. I'm giving them my personal own outfits from my own closet, and I'm dressing them. And I really only pick clothes like that's on my Instagram, just so I can put like a side to side view. And of course, like, there's been some changes because they're not my size, you know. So I didn't give them my shoes because they got small ass feet. Yeah, and one of them couldn't wear my pants because I'm a little thick, you know what I'm saying. But they also they also did a video, and that will be in the description. So go check it out after this video. Don't go right now. Go after. And if you guys enjoyed that video, you want to see more videos with Spicy Boyz, just leave a like and comment and subscribe if you're new.
Bring the power in my energy. Turn it to a documentary. Print my name inside a legacy. You can separate this energy. Energy. Put all these jokers to rest. Got no diamonds or a chain, but I'll find a way to flex. Making these jokers say wow. I'ma pull up in the Falcon. Yeah, you see me running routes. Got your girl and she aroused. Watch these jokers run their mouth. Swish, call me Kobe off the shits. Yeah, all in the wrist. Call me Goku or Vegeta. Kamikaze my demeanor. Super Saiyan Grim Reaper. Show up, blow your speakers. We just passing your receiver. I will see you when I see you. Hold up, you're standing too close to me. I must not be where I'm supposed to be. In my eyes, see the colorway. In the car, playing runaway. All these jokers on another wave. Boy, wanna bring the hurricane. In New York, or Millie Rock. I don't hide it in my sock. Fly to LA for a week. I'll hit you up when I'm free.